The sad truth about points and miles is that they have zero value until you redeem them for something you enjoy. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Then journey on down to the description area to find some links to some really awesome credit card offers, to earn some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and their rewards in one place. So I've been sitting on some American Express points, and it's time to redeem them because, like I said in the intro, there is no value in having points until you do something with them. And I realized if I'm not actually using my points for something like travel, that means I'm not having any new experiences from my points, and I'm also not redeeming for cash, which means I don't have any more money in my bank account. They're literally just sitting there doing absolutely nothing, and more than likely probably becoming worth less over time too. So it's time to do something with them, and I'm gonna let you watch me do it. But first, a little bit of background in terms of why I'm deciding to redeem my points right now versus any other time. And I'll confess, it's all based upon a rumor. In fact, here's a screenshot from the blog post that I'm referring to here by Doctor of Credit with the title, American Express Charles Schwab to lose the 1.25 cent cash out option, big question mark, maybe landing page language removed. And here's what it says. The American Express Charles Schwab Platinum Card allows card members to convert membership rewards points into your Schwab account at a rate of 1.25 cents per point. Sometime between May 31st and June 1st, 2021, American Express changed the landing page of the American Express Charles Schwab Platinum Card to remove the language that states, you can use 60,000 points for a $750 deposit from Schwab into your eligible Schwab account. The application page still has this language, but it does seem odd that it was removed from the landing page. This could be part of the rumored platinum changes. If you do have points that you're planning on converting, I'd recommend doing it sooner rather than later. And fortunately, Doctor of Credit also provided a nice screenshot of what it used to say versus what it says today. Check it out. The green and red text, by the way, was added by me. So on the left-hand side, you see the before, which is where I put a green box around the text that said you can use those 60,000 points for a $750 deposit, which means your points will be worth 1.25 cents each. And then on the right-hand side where you see after in red, that language has been removed. So naturally, that got a lot of people wondering what's actually going on with American Express. Are they going to bring it back? Was it just an error with somebody updating the page and they simply deleted the text box by accident? Or is the rate going to go up? Probably not. Or is the rate going to go down? At this point, nobody really knows what's going on. So down in the comments, of course, I decided to have some fun on the blog as well, and I posted this. Here's to hoping they update it to say you can use 100,000 points for a $1,250 deposit from Schwab into your eligible Schwab account, and then give it a 100K offer. So of course, right after reading this, I then went straight to my web browser, pulled up the landing page for the Platinum Card by Charles Schwab, and looked everywhere all over the entire page to see, is this language really gone from my view as well? And in fact, it was. So here's a screenshot that I took where it shows the normal 60,000 point offer, and the text that has been boxed in red says, and as a Schwab client, you can use membership rewards points for deposits by Schwab to your eligible account. So now that this rumor has captured my full attention, I will now let you watch me redeem my points for cash into my brokerage account. That way you can see how the whole process works. And in case some negative change does come to this card or the feature itself in the near future, then at least this video will serve as a nice memory of the good old days when we could all cash out at 1.25 cents per point. And off to my computer we go. All right, let's get this point redemption party started. So I've logged into my American Express account and chosen my Schwab Platinum Card right up here. And down here, you'll notice where it says Explore Rewards. Right above that is a special feature that you will not see with a standard Platinum Card, which says Invest with Rewards. So here's my point balance, 587,868 points. I'm now going to click on Invest Rewards to cash these out into cash back through my Schwab brokerage account at a rate of 1.25 cents per point. Here we go. So now it brings you to this page, which is called Invest with Rewards, and it says this benefit, available only with your American Express Platinum Card for Schwab, allows you to redeem membership rewards points for funds deposited by Schwab to your eligible Schwab brokerage account. It's a simple 4-step redemption process. Redemptions start at 1,000 points, and only the basic card member is eligible to redeem points. So now I'll click on Get Started. And then we're brought to step number 1, to enter the card information, which includes the card number, the expiration date, zip code, card ID number on the front of the card, and then once that's done, you click on Next to proceed. So I'll go ahead and fill all this out and click on Next. And now we're brought to step number 2, which is called Select Account and Redeem Points. So I'll go ahead and scroll down a bit here on the page. And the first step is to select my brokerage account, which is right here, my individual account. And then it scrolls you back up, so I'll scroll back down. And then you get to have a little bit of fun with math. So I have 587,868 points, and I can redeem in 1,000 point increments. So basically, I will not be able to redeem those 868 points. And I do so in these different thresholds here. So I'll start by taking care of the first 500,000 here with the 250,000 point increments, each one being worth $3,125. So I'll say I want 2 of those, and that puts the total to 500,000 points worth $6,250. Then for the 87,000 points, what I'll do is choose one 50,000 point threshold, and one 25,000 point threshold, and one 10,000 point threshold, which when added together is 85,000 points. And that leaves 2,868 points remaining. So what I'll do now is choose one for the quantity of 2,500 points. And that allows me to do a little bit better than I thought I could originally. So the total is 587,500 points, worth $7,343.75. And that leaves 368 points remaining, which would have been worth $4.60. So since I cannot redeem such a small amount, which is under the minimum of 1,000 points, I'll just leave those left over for a future redemption. So now I'll come over here and I'll say that I understand the Invest with Rewards disclosures, which I've seen before in the past. Click on Next. And now we've got step number 3 to review and confirm. So it says, in summary, I've selected to redeem 587,500 membership awards points for funds totaling $7,343.75, which will be deposited by Schwab into your account, which is my individual brokerage account. I'll then be receiving an email confirmation of my redemption request at my personal email address. That all looks good to me. So now I will come over here and click on Redeem Now. And just like that, it's a done deal. And that's how you let go of over 500,000 points. And if you want to see what the actual aftermath looks like in my American Express account, here you go right here, all 368 remaining points. And in contrast to that super small balance, here's an actual screenshot of the funds now in my individual brokerage account with Schwab. So that looks a lot better than seeing 368 points, all of which are worth $4.60. And as much fun as it's been to watch that balance steadily increase over time, it'll be a much better feeling, I'm sure, to see those actual funds as dollars into my account going forward. Recently, I've made a couple investments, so I've been a little bit strapped for cash, and now having this back into my savings account will be a very nice feeling to have that cushion once again. Because remember, money is a great tool to build wealth and freedom in your life when you use it appropriately. So put it into a vehicle that can actually give you returns so you can build that platform of freedom in your life. So to conclude this video, I hope it was very informative for you all to see how to actually convert membership rewards points into cash into your Schwab brokerage account, because that is the best way to redeem your points for cash back. If you don't have this set up, then your membership awards points from Amex are best used for travel, because otherwise you only get 0.6 cents per point for cash back via a statement credit, which means for every 10,000 points you redeem, you get $60 in value instead of $125, which is more than double with Schwab. With all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to earn some more cash back when you shop online with Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic mobile app to manage all of your credit cards, their rewards, and a whole lot more in a single place. Thank you all for tuning into today's video. I hope it brought you some great value and a little bit of fun with rumors. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, 2 things. Number 1, let me know what you think Amex and Schwab will do down below in the comments, and number 2, you are great.